Makeup brushes can be confusing. What brush for which product? Well, here's a quick guide to understand makeup brushes a little better. Typically dense, a foundation brush is a must in your kit. You can pick from flat or rounded tops. An all-rounded applicator, don't miss out on the Beauty Blender. Varying in size, this dense and fluffy brush with long bristles is perfect for blending, buffing and setting products on your face. Basically, you can't do without a powder brush. A dome or slant-shaped brush is perfect for blush application or contouring. This brush makes sure the application is precise and you need one of these for sure. The flat eyeshadow brush is perfect for applying the products with precision. It sits perfectly on your lids and crease. And the fluffy blending brush is perfect to blend and get rid of any harsh lines when applying eyeshadow. Beginner makeup brushes done and decoded.